RPMs. You see how? Alright, you guys, so I finished dropping the oil, you know what I mean?
Shut the fuck up. Your ass can't even go down.
Damn, look at that fucking black ass oil right there. Just like you, fool.
He's my brother. Hey, where's
Damn, look at those headers. They're fucking connected with fucking wire. I can't believe that shit. Look at this shit, you guys. About to change the spark plugs. Hey, where's the other bujillas at? The one that I just took off. Alright, so I just changed the spark plugs.
Line ass nigga.
Now I'm just gonna. Hey, you have the cap? The cap?
Nah.
You're gonna have to go get it. So now I'm just gonna put the. Let me double check. So this one goes. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 goes over here. 2 goes over here, and the second one. Let me see. This one is 3. Yup, they're right.
That shit's clean right there.
Oh.
Square, bro.
Moscow built.
Ah, Moscow Bill, no, that's fucking
Hey,
this
no
way.
cambiar esa, güey. No poner esta.
Ah, mejor, güey, neta. Alright, where's the oil? I put oil. Oh, no, this nigga's changing the filter. Because I mean, I don't want to be laying down, you know. Just changing that shit. So, yeah, this was about to change the filter and then put oil. Drinking a double X or triple X.
Oh, bar.
Damn, son, I taught you good. Nomás que no te tiemble la mano, güey. And then, cuando you're gonna be done, make sure you scoot this forward, you know? And then flip it when you're done, when you're gonna be done. Because that doesn't take, that's 5 chords, right? Yup, you see? I like to teach people, I like to teach my daughters, you know? You be learning from Moscow Bill, that's good. Júntate con Moscow Bill y vas a aprender muchas cosas.
Yeah.
You're a bitch. What the fuck? Alright, you guys, so that piece of shit is done already. He's running back again on the streets with his SI wheel back on. Came to the shop. This fool was hating. This was working on the Mustang right here, GT, changing the gears. He already finished it. I don't know if you guys remember working on this car. Last time, he was changing the gears. So now he's putting the brakes back on. He changed the mufflers. What else did he change? The mufflers? You still need to fucking finish that shit. And what else? What other than need? Just this side? Everything's pretty much. Let me know if you need some work on your cars. Oh, damn. Jump it, jump it. Jump, jump. Oh, almost. Ooh, this nigga gets down.
I'll race you, get the other one.
Alright, dale. Jump. Oh. Get the. Oh, that's pretty high.
I quit. I'm sweating.
Jump over this one, the fucking. Go fast, dale. Ah, hella gay. Alright, so this motherfucker's gonna jump over me supposedly, so fuck, hopefully he does fucking jump.
Gotta smack this one.
Hit him in the dome.
Sube la panza.
Sube la panza.
Damn, that's all high. Oh.
You got...
En las patas salí.
Hey, first practice over here.
Sí, güey.
On the other side. Practice.
Put your hands, put your hands.
Ponte casco, güey. No te va a putear la cara, güey.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Do it. This dude has to jump.
Sí, güey. Oh!
Almost. Almost. You got it, bitch.
I got scared.
Almost.
I can't do that.
Come on. No?
Nah. I don't want to hit you. Ah.
Ay,
Sí, güey.
oh, get up. He's done. One more try.
Ahí va. Esta es la vencida, güey. Alright, so I left the shop already. I'm going to my friend's house. I'm gonna let him borrow the torque wrench. So I'm just gonna go drop it off probably. Yeah, right, turn right here. Yep. So stay tuned. Slapper. What's cracking? I'll hold this shit. That's already 60?
30.
Oh, 30?
60 and 80.
It smells spicy.
What kind of noodles is
You put it
this?
to what, to 50?
Yeah.
Ramen?
Ramen, spicy. It's actually pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah. Supposedly this is supposed to be spicy. But it's
You
good.
ain't gonna try that? You ain't gonna try that?
I'm good.
That food is good, honestly.
Nah, you guys got it.
It's supposed to be spicy? No, it's supposed to be there's a spicier one. But don't have it.
Yeah, it's not that spicy. Spicy or not spicy way? Damn, that shit actually crept up pretty bad.
I think it's need water now.
Milk kills it.
Shit.
It's pretty good though.
Oh man, you hear him? He's about to need a cup of milk. So he wants to be hella hard. Extra.
Man, we just tried this fucking cup of noodle shit. Man, this is fucking hella hot. A ver si se avienta el morrillo.